Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at what seems to be the second generation of the Colmi V69, a budget-friendly smartwatch with a few surprises and a few things to watch out for. This version of the Colmi V69 came in a slightly different package than what I've seen online, which makes me think it's a newer or updated model. It looks great, has a clean display, and handles the basics: step tracking, heart rate, sleep, notifications, and more. Battery life? Honestly impressive. I'm getting around 10 days on a full charge, and that includes regular use with notifications turned on. Not bad for a budget smartwatch. One quick tip: you can't change watch faces by rotating the crown. That doesn't work. Instead, tap and hold the home screen, then swipe to choose a new face. Now here's something important. This version doesn't include SpO2 or blood pressure monitoring. Some older listings mention those features, but my unit simply doesn't have them, which again points to it being a different model or newer version. Sleep tracking is here, but it's not always reliable. Sometimes it tracks accurately, but other nights? It misses naps or logs incorrect hours. Good for a rough overview, not for detailed sleep analysis. The packaging and feature changes make me think this might be the second generation of the Colmi V69. If you've seen a version with SpO2 and BP tracking, that could be the first gen, so make sure to check what you're buying. To wrap it up, this Colmi V69, possibly the second generation, is a solid budget smartwatch with great battery life, a clean interface, and the basics covered. Just don't expect advanced health tracking, and know what version you're getting. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe for more real-world tech reviews, and drop your questions or experience with the V69 in the comments. I always reply.